If you're using CapCut on Windows and want to make sure you're on the latest version, this video is going to show you exactly how to update CapCut PC in just a few seconds. Keeping CapCut updated is important because it helps you get the latest features, smoother performance, bug fixes, and better stability while editing your videos. So if you want to avoid glitches and make sure everything runs properly, updating your app is always a smart move. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your Windows PC. Once the app loads, you'll land on the home menu. From here, look up at the top right corner of the screen and find the update icon. This is the button CapCut uses to check whether your version is current. Go ahead and click that update icon. After you click it, CapCut will automatically check your installed version against the latest available version. If your app is already up to date, it will let you know right away, and there's nothing else you need to do. But if CapCut finds that your version is outdated, it will start the update process automatically. Just let it complete and don't close the app while it's downloading or installing the new version. Depending on your connection and the size of the update, it may take a moment, but usually it finishes pretty quickly. Once the update is done, CapCut may restart or prompt you to reopen it. At that point, you're all set and ready to keep editing with the latest version installed. That's really all there is to it. You don't need to manually download anything or go searching through settings. Just open CapCut, click the update icon in the top right, and let the app do the rest. If this video helped you update CapCut on Windows, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.